You want to start or have started your new YouTube channel and are thinking of hitting publish on that first video. But wait, did you know that your first ever YouTube video can earn you money? Yes, without being monetized with YouTube ads, and all while being at 0 subscribers and 0 views on your channel. You're probably thinking, what is she on about? You need thousands of subscribers to make money with a YouTube channel. No, that's not true. I have proof to disagree with that. And I'm here to teach you the methods that earn me over $3,000 per video without even being monetized on YouTube yet, and over $2,000 for a video that got even less than 200 views. If you want to make money with your first ever YouTube video and all the videos after that, you will need to have one thing in place before hitting publish on that first video: your YouTube strategy. Let me tell you more about that. Your strategy needs these few things right here, and we're going to go through them one by one. Timestamps are below if you're interested in only one strategy, but I suggest watching through the entire video to understand what I mean and grow your channel from scratch. Now, one thing you must know is that if you want to make money from day one with your YouTube channel, you cannot rely on YouTube views or the distribution that they get you, so YouTube recommending your content, to make money, because that is very hard, especially with a small channel. Not impossible, but harder. And if your channel is not yet monetized, so you don't have the 1,000 subscriber yet and the 4,000 watch hours in the last year, then it is impossible to make money from ads. Plus, if you want to make $1,000 for one video, with a $5 RPM, you would need around 200,000 views for that video to earn $1,000. But don't worry, there's an easier way. So the very first thing you need to make money with a small YouTube channel or a beginner YouTube channel with your first ever video is a business. So I'm not saying you need a huge company or anything, but you will need the following things. You will need a passion you want to monetize, so something like fishing, makeup, doing art, anything that you enjoy doing a lot. Next, you will need some skill in that area, because you might enjoy doing makeup, but you have to be good at it so you can share with other people and make money. And third, you need to be willing to create content around your passion, so you enjoy it so much that you wouldn't mind doing this every day. So you'll need to enjoy it enough to create something outside of YouTube video for your passion. So you would need to build a community, build an audience, and then offer value to them through paid offers such as digital products, online courses, affiliate marketing, services, and more. So you will need to have paid offers that solve people's problems. I'll tell you more about that right now. If you know what your passions are but are not sure what YouTube channel to start or what business to start, get my free business launch guide in the description below. It will take you step by step through different niches you can choose from, to different passions that you might have, questions that will help you understand what your passions and strengths are, and to make you understand what YouTube channel or what online business you need to start. Now, let's say you figured out your niche. Let's say you love makeup. You are good at makeup as well. You know a little more than the average about doing good makeup. What you need to do next is figure out your exact business model and niche. Do you do makeup for everyday wear? Do you enjoy doing bridal makeup? Do you do makeup for film or theater? What is the exact niche you want to pick and the exact skill that you want to monetize? Figuring this out first will help you a lot more in the next few steps, so you can use my free launch guide to help you figure this out. You now understand what you're best at and where you want to go with that passion. But who would need your skills? Is there a demand for your skills online? Do people have certain problems maybe that you can solve with your skills? I'm pretty sure they do. But you need to first find out what those are and then strategically create content to reach those exact people. So now we'll do exactly that. We'll research what those problems might be, what they need help with, and determine who those people are exactly. For example, you enjoy doing bridal makeup. The problem is they cannot do their own bridal makeup because they don't have the time. So in that case, you offer your services. Or another problem might be they just don't know how to do bridal makeup and they want to quickly learn with only a few products before their wedding, so they won't have to spend hundreds of dollars on a makeup artist on their wedding day. So now, how do you provide your skills in a YouTube video so that people will want to learn even more than what you shared for free in that YouTube video and actually monetize it and make money off of it? Easy. You decide your monetization methods first. For example, you can build a digital product, an online course, a mini course. You can offer one-on-one coaching sessions in which you teach people one-on-one how to do bridal makeup via Zoom calls or in person, and you take them step by step in different coaching sessions. So decide what that monetization method will be and make sure to advertise it in your first video, as I'll show you right now. But decide on a monetization method that you put together very, very well. For example, a bridal look mini course, and you set it up before you create your first video. So you can create the mini course about that, you can create the service, you can create an ebook, and also create a freebie around all those products that you offer. That freebie can be something like 10 bridal looks to choose from in the link below, and you just share 10 bridal looks that you've done before and the exact products you used and things like that. And if they would want to learn the exact step-by-step to achieve those bridal looks, they will have to purchase your mini course or book a coaching session with you. You need to be very specific with what they will achieve with your paid offers so your audience finds a bigger solution in your paid offer. As a beginner on YouTube, you can use small ticket products such as an ebook, as I mentioned. You need to have a freebie so you can grow your email list and then send emails to those people to join your bigger courses, and then a high ticket offer, so like a full course with everything included. If you want to learn more about monetizing your YouTube channel or your online business, my coaching programs are listed down below. If you want to grow your business or your YouTube channel from scratch and also learn how to create digital products that sell even from your first ever video, make sure to join the Success Accelerator program. And you have a bunch more resources there that will help you grow your YouTube channel and make money with it. Make sure to check out what they include at the links below. Now let's see how your target audience will find your video. So you now know who your target audience is, who will need your skills and your paid offers. But how do you reach them with your content? As a small channel and a beginner on YouTube, you will need to research things that they are searching for currently to fix their problem. So let's go to YouTube and find out what they're searching for, what solution they're searching for to their problem together. For example, type in the search bar how to do bridal makeup. You can install the vidIQ and TubeBuddy extensions to see the keyword score and how big or small it is for your channel. It shows you how many people are searching for that term and how big the competition is. If the competition is too big and there are too many video results and all that, you would need to add more keywords to that title and make it reach a smaller audience within that big niche, so your video will have a chance to rank in search as a small channel. So try different titles that are dedicated to a specific audience instead. For example, how to do your own bridal makeup at home step by step for beginners. Now the competition shows a bit high for this one too, but the search volume is so big that it makes worth targeting. With great video quality and the tips I'll share next, your video has a high chance at ranking in search, getting views, subscribers, but also making money without even being monetized yet. So do these same exact steps for any type of channel you have, any type of niche, and any type of audience. Think about this first. What would your ideal viewer or customer would type in the search bar to find a solution to their problem, to find somebody with a skill such as yours to offer them that solution? Then think of unique video ideas. For example, how to do my own bridal makeup at home in less than an hour, or how to do my own bridal makeup at home with only 8 products for people that have limited resources or want to do drugstore makeup. Next, you'll go to answerthepublic.com and register for 3 daily searches. Click YouTube, United States, or the area that you want to publish your video in, and the language that you choose. First, type a general term like bridal makeup and see what results show up. Scroll down to see more results and their exact numbers, what people are searching for, how often they do it, and so on. Then try to come up with a unique video idea and title by using the YouTube search bar, as I've showed you, and TubeBuddy by checking the keyword score exactly. And next, you need to craft the good video idea before actually scripting or filming the video. Craft a title with plenty of keywords that you got from Answer the Public and YouTube, such as how to do your own bridal makeup at home step by step for beginners. Next, you need to think of what's a thumbnail idea that will make your ideal viewer click on really fast. Try to imagine that with some photos, even if they're not of yourself, even if you'll take the thumbnail photos later when you're filming. Try to imagine it with a high emotion on your face and the exact placement of the text and your face. Add some text to spark curiosity in the viewer's mind through your title and your thumbnail. That text can be something like only 8 products. So doing a bridal makeup at home by only using 8 products, or fully drugstore makeup, something that will want the viewer to see, okay, how did she achieve this amazing look with only 8 products? So that will make them click on the video and get a lot of value from you. I use this exact Canva YouTube planner template to craft my YouTube titles and thumbnails before I create my videos. If you want to get it, it is inside my Pro Templates library, so you can check it out at the link below. Now, before actually filming the video, you will need to script the video really well so filming can go really smoothly. The title, the thumbnail, and the intro of the video need to be really tied together so that you keep the viewer hooked and engaged throughout the video. So with the thumbnail in your face, with the title in your face, what's an intro that will get people so interested in your video so they can keep watching and understand that they're getting what they clicked for? Your title, your thumbnail sparked the curiosity, people clicked, and now the first 10 seconds of your video are crucial. So please ditch your intros, ditch the whole "hey, welcome back to my channel" phase. You need to leave that behind and focus on creating an intro that people are actually interested in. For example, show the bridal look in its final phase and say something like, "I created this bridal look with only 8 products in less than 40 minutes. If you're a total beginner, you might need around 60 minutes to get it done, but I'll show you how to do it step by step." And then start the tutorial. You are being honest, you are sharing facts that it might take them a little bit longer since they're beginners. You are telling them that they are getting exactly what they saw in the title and thumbnail. They start trusting you and they keep watching the video. Now you'll need to script your video using perfect pacing. Don't leave blank spots in the video that nobody cares about. Don't take 10 minutes talking about your dog or take 5 minutes doing your eyeshadow makeup, because they're gonna get bored. I'm telling you, they will click off your video. YouTube will not recommend your video further because of low watch time, so that is not something that you want to do. Instead, for a great makeup video, for example, start explaining what you're doing and show little steps on how to do that. But for the phases when you're repeating the same thing over and over, they don't have to keep watching the entire thing. So either speed it up or get to the final process. Don't think of long videos make money on YouTube, so you have to create long videos. Yes, long videos are great, but only if you provide value in every single section of your video, because otherwise nobody will watch them either way, so you're spending time editing a full 20-minute video that nobody watches. Review the video before posting it. If the information that you had in every section of your video is not good enough to be included in the video, cut it out. It is better to have a 2-minute video with full value instead of have a 20-minute video that just gets people along, bores them, and doesn't really make them understand your expertise. And now, most importantly, for you to make money with your first ever YouTube video, mention your paid offers throughout the video. When you're talking, when doing makeup, mention that I've created this exact look in my ebook or in my mini course. I'm sharing a lot more tips about how to do a cut crease for different types of eye shapes in my full makeup course. Check it out below. Or if you like to see a preview of it, get the freebie below. Do these things throughout the video at least 5 or 7 times so people are interested enough in it. But don't say it in the same exact way for you to be salesy and annoying. Instead, try mentioning a different thing that you've included in that paid offer in a different way throughout the video. This way people won't get annoyed, they understand that they're getting a lot more value from you in that paid offer, and they will enjoy the process of you talking about that and talking even more about your skill and your passion in your paid offers. So mention your paid offers as a quicker solution for them and mention the benefits that they get by signing up. You can also offer a discount or a special code that they can use because they watched the video. This way you'll get them to click faster, and the best way to do this is also by using a tripwire page. So you would create a page for an offer that expires in 7 days, in 1 day, in 48 hours, and so on. Now, the next step to making money on YouTube with your first ever video is recording an actual high quality YouTube video. You don't need a lot for this. As a beginner, I wouldn't invest thousands of dollars if you don't have them, but instead focus on good quality by having good lighting and good audio. So if you don't have a DSLR, it's fine. Film with your phone, but do so in front of a window if you don't have studio lights. You don't need a lot for great lighting in your YouTube videos. I don't suggest using too much direct light, but instead have light be For example, something to light your background, or something to light your face from the side, or a general light inside your room. But don't use too many direct face lights for your face to have no shadows, because it will make you look very blank and not very professional. Experiment with your camera settings or see how different videos look. Take some test videos first, and this is important if you're not comfortable with the camera as well. Make sure to take a few videos. Speak in 10 different videos for 20 minutes at a time for you to get accustomed with talking to a camera. It can definitely be super awkward at first when you're first starting your channel and filming your first video. That's why I don't suggest posting your first ever video. Film 10 or 20 before that and just talk to the camera as you would talk to a person, friend, or a family member. Now remember, if you like the outcome of your video, chances are others will too. Now, how you edit your video matters as well for keeping the viewer engaged. This will get the viewer watching longer, giving you more watch time and more distribution on YouTube. Use lots of B-roll footage, text effects, transitions, but don't use them all too much at a time, and make sure to spread them out throughout the video. If you can film your own B-roll and not use stock footage, that will be best for your brand recognition and just for the visuals of the brand, because stock footage don't really represent exactly what your brand is about. So especially as a makeup artist, for example, try to film shots of your own products, showing them in front of the camera, of your own makeup brushes and all those things, and don't find stock footage that already exists. This is better for any business. Now your video is edited and ready to be published. Export it at the highest quality from your editing program and upload it to YouTube. Now it's time to optimize it for SEO and upload it. So you will need to add the title that we talked about, the thumbnail, and the first 2 lines of the description are also crucial for SEO. So include lots of keywords in there as well, but naturally written. So don't just dump a bunch of keywords there. Explain further what the video is about and what the viewer is getting throughout your video description, so you can include more keywords in there. Add your 3 hashtags that will appear at the top of the video, and very important, add timestamps inside your video description by starting with 00. This will tell YouTube that the video chapters are also about your video and what it represents, and it will help viewers go through your video a lot faster and easier. This also offers a bunch more value to your video creation process. You're telling people you don't want to waste their time, and you're telling them exactly what they're going to see throughout the video. Use all the tags available by using TubeBuddy and vidIQ to see high ranking tags that other videos are already ranking for. Now you've published your video. It is time to give it the most distribution that you can for YouTube to pick it up and distribute it further. So if you have a social account that you already have a following on, share it there with your followers with the link, create YouTube shorts for it and publish those in the days that come, and connect the YouTube video to that YouTube short so you can get more views on your video. Because what you need to understand is that the first hour since publishing your video, and then the first few hours, and then the first day are super important to how much attention the video gets. So share it with friends and family, distribute it on other platforms, use Facebook video by creating a square video, upload it to Facebook, add some keywords in there and your video link. You can also use Pinterest and share the short videos there by linking to the YouTube video, or vertical pin graphics that tell you what the video is about. For example, if you create a makeup video, you can share your makeup look in different photos, but by linking to the YouTube video. This will help get more eyes on your first video in those first critical hours and days. This will make it get distributed by YouTube to more people, making you more money for your small YouTube channel and for your business, all without needing to be monetized on YouTube yet. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments below, and if you've made money with your YouTube channel before, how did you make it? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to chat with you. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos such as this one weekly, and to be notified when I post, just click the bell. Again, if your goal is to grow your business with social media, make sure to check out the Success Accelerator program. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.